हाय विजनरी गाइस, कैसे हैं आप लोग? That's lovely seeing you all right there, guys. This is the day 6 of coordinatorship, and today we are going to go with inspiring personality speech. I simply want each one of you to come and give a speech on any famous inspiring personality. It's not like कि आपको famous पे देना है. You can come up with any particular personality जो कि आपको inspire करती हो. Got it, guys? Simply come and speak for 2 minutes 30 seconds. As simple as. So, who believes I have got the courage to hold this mic first? That's a big hand for Aniket.
Once there was a man, the man who had a desire to be one of the famous teacher in the world. Not yes, in the world. Then he was pursuing B Tech from one of the college of Prayagraj and Allahabad, right? Then he left his B Tech at the middle of the year. You might be wondering why that person did, because he didn't want to be a common man. The common man, like rest of the persons who were pursuing B Tech, he left his B Tech and then he decided to pursue his career in the teaching field, to be as a teacher. Then his sister inspired him to teach. He started teaching, but somehow he didn't had any of the degree to teach. He was only 12th pass. Then he joined one of the institute. But in that institute, nobody was hiring him because he had no degree. Then somehow he requested the owner of the institute, and then the owner hired him as a doubt solver. But one of the day he wanted to teach, as I mentioned. Then he went to the classroom and then he started teaching the concept of center of mass. All the students who were sitting in the class was inspired, was listening him with full of focus, because he had a different way to teach. The way he was teaching, because of his enthusiasm, unorthodox teaching skills and dedication, resonated with the student. And he was the owner was started feeling jealous from him, because he caught the attention of all of the teacher. Then in 2016, he started his own YouTube channel, because nobody was hiring him as a teacher, as he had no degree. Then he started his career on the YouTube channel. He started teaching all the concept of physics. As I mentioned, he wasn't born with silver spoons, because he was from the poor middle class family, but he was born with a silver spoon by his mind. And then he started his career on the YouTube channel in 2016, and somehow in 2020 he got fame on the YouTube by students only. And then he launched his app as the Physics Wala. And then you might be wondering who is that person. That person name as Alak Pandey. And if you search on Google, then he is one of the person who himself means alone. He was alone when he started his journey, and now he has a team with millions of people. And in 2020 he was the 101st unicorn company as Physics Wala. Now he is the person who is inspiring not an individual. He is inspiring all over the world, because he has revolutionized the education system, because the way he introduced how to teach physics, nobody has introduced till now. Thank you so much.
Be educated, be organized, and be agitated by Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Recently, we all celebrated 135th birth anniversary of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar ji. Let's talk about their journey. He was born in Mahar family, and whereas he was politician, economist, and social welfare. He did many things for Dalit people. And just because of him, we know today Article 32, as known as soul of the Constitution. If I tell you about him, so he was a very simple man, but he had something to do something for their society. And just because of he, one day he thought to change the society, and he see the condition of Dalit families. And from that point of time only, he realized everything and started doing for them. As he was economist, because of it, he had a biggest role in a central bank, that is Reserve Bank of India. More and more, whenever we talk about him, so when he used to go to school, he faced many discrimination, but he didn't lose the hope and do study by himself. And just after that, we know the recent government, and that is parliamentary form of government we follow. It is because of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar ji only. He did many things, and that is why we all know that he is the father of our constitution. So, I just want to tell, where do you belong to? It doesn't matter. But which type of personality and attitude do you carry? It is very much important, not for you, but for your society. Because we all are here, not change our family, but our motherland. And that is only India. Thank you.
15th of October in 1931. This was the day when a child blessed with thousands of qualities took birth. This child was born in a very poor family as well as a very lower caste family too. They were not able to survive because they were not having a lot of money. But for that reason only, that child had a lot more very big dreams. He wanted to become a fighter in Air Force. That child was not having money to fulfill his requirements. He started working as a newspaper seller. He started doing hard work for getting money. After some time, once when he collected money, he joined a institute for learning aeronautics. And after some time, when he started learning that particular field, he did a lot more hard work to achieve his goal. But unfortunately, he couldn't achieve it. But no worries. He became the first personality to make his own space agency called as ISRO. The one and only the Dr. Bhimrao, the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He was very amazing and hardworking personality. Not only this much, he was the president of India too because of his hard work only. He kept on doing hard work and he even loved the childs. He was the one who inspires many children in our country. And because of this reason only, the people like in our country, many people have got the motivation to achieve something which is very big. Because of this reason only, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is very famous. Thank you so much.
A boy in uniform standing on a road of Himachal Pradesh saw lot of children in neat and clean uniform. He jumped up to his home and asked his father why these kids are wearing neat and clean uniform. Who are they? And his father was uncommissioned officer in Indian Army. He said those kids were the officers' children, and that's why they all are wearing these neat and clean uniform and have a high status. Then he got a glimpse. Then he got a fire similar to the sun's heat to join armed forces, to be in that uniform. Then he worked studiously. He worked in a diligent manner to join army. He got recommended in SSB after clearing NDA in first attempt. Then he got selected into Jat regiment. He was the fearless as a tiger. The person who after that joined a para special forces, toughest special forces 9 para SF, that is also known as the ghost operator. The person who faced ample of times death but laughed in front of death and said, this is not the time that I have to die. He went to the Sri Lanka's civil war. He went to the Pentagon first time. The person who cannot considered as a good speaker in English went to Pentagon represented as the first Indian special forces operator and represented India in a very great manner. After that, he got selected as the SM. The people, the soldiers you have seen in beside the president, that post he was assigned, but he denied the post because he wanted to serve for nation in the Kargil war. Then he went Kargil war and survived and cleared and got the peak, toughest peak, 0.22. After that, when he was faced a lot of deaths, after that he got a insight that I have to do more, I have to do more. But in Kopwada's jungle, after killing 3 terrorists, he got injured and succumbed to his death. I am talking about Major Sudhir Walia, who is known as the fearless person in this world, conceived as a god of special forces, 9 para, special forces, entitlement, and also as a god of special forces. Thank you so much.
Gitanjali is a collection of poems which is written by a man. The writer of that Gitanjali was first non-European who received Nobel Prize in Literature. Do you guys can guess whom I'm talking about? Yes, Rabindranath Tagore was a legendary figure in Indian literature who changed the world poetry and writing. Born in 1861 in Kolkata. In Kolkata, Tagore's have left Tagore's works have left an indelible mark on the culture and Indian history. Tagore's work for the nation a lot. His poetry filled with deep emotions, philosophical thoughts, and love for humanity. Tagore's ability to weave simple yet profound ideas into his verses made him an international symbol of creativity and thoughtfulness. Tagore believed in the power of education and founded Vishwa Bharati University, where students could learn freely and creatively. His contribution to Indian culture, including writing the national anthem of India, and he also made India he also show India on the international level when he achieved that Nobel Prize in 1913 for his poem called Gitanjali. That's all. Thank you so much.
So, girls, you all are sitting here and taking education. Do you know who is the reason behind it? That is the reason behind it, Jyotiba Bai Phule. Do you know he born in 1827 and he supported his wife for getting education? Do you know at that time females were not allowed to take education, but he allowed his wife. Not only he allowed, he teach her well. And his wife's name was Savitri Bai Phule. And she was the most educated woman at that time. Do you know if now in today's generation, if you will say your parents to get married in other religion, in other caste, how they will react? Same thing was happening with them also. People were throwing a dog on them because they were doing very different things. At that time, females were not allowed to give in even out of the house, but they were learning things. They were learning so many things, and they were open school for females, and they promoted girls to come in their school and get education, and nobody was supporting that. The same thing is happening with Jyotiba Bai Phule. So I would like to motivate you all, like the things he did very unique. It was very difficult at that time. Same thing is happening in today's time also. So many things are very difficult for us, but we should not take step back. We should we should continuously try to get and motivated, and we should try to learn so many things. And just like we should go against of the religion, uh, intercaste marriage, and other things, like just like discrimination on the behalf of color, discrimination on the behalf of reason and caste. We should raise our voice against of such things.
This is the story of a cricketer not just a cricketer, a soldier who fight against his dignity, who fights whenever the dignity stands against him. Just suppose if something wrong is happening with me, I would not give up. I would try to tackle with that particular thing. This is the story of a cricketer who started his journey in early age. He used to play tirelessly. He honing his skills by playing day night, means full day. He used to play full day. Soon he get a chance to play under 12, under 40. He played very well right there. Soon he got a chance to play to represent his state as Delhi. He played from West Delhi. He played so many matches. He became the best person within his academy. But there was one problem with him. He was too much fatty. People used to call him Chiku because of his fattiness. Because of his body, people used to call. Just try to imagine. But if you would get to know that who is currently him, you would not able to remember, or you would not able to imagine that he was known as the Chiku. Soon he got a chance to play Ranji Trophy match. But one thing happened with him. When he was playing Ranji Trophy, he went to his he finished his match. He went to his home. He got to know that his father is no more. Just try to imagine the condition of a player who is playing the match, and he got to know that his father is died. His father is no more. Who is going to support him? His father has got a dream that I want to see my son in a jersey of Indian cricket team. But just he did not, and the man I just mentioned in the beginning only, he was the soldier who fight against his dignity. That's how he fight, and he played that particular Ranji match. Everybody was stopping it that don't need to play. You have to be there for because who will handle your family? Your father has just died, and now you are going to play. What kind of silliness is this? But he did not listen anybody's voice. He went there. He scored approximate 80 run right there, and everybody says this time the run machine Kohli. Yes, guys, I am talking about the great player of our Indian cricket team, run machine Kohli. There is one quote, जहां मैच बड़े होते हैं वहां कोहली साहब खड़े होते हैं. Thank you.
Where every one of us try to find excuse to escape from our work. The one who kept on giving direction to the world of science till his last breath. And he was none other than Stephen Hawking. You know, he was diagnosed with a disease named as amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, where the part of a brain who is responsible for the muscular activities in a body, it was damaged. But still, he kept on working till his last breath. He was also like one of us. Like he was also like us, who used to procrastinate a lot, who was a lazy student, who was just an average student. He belonged to a family where everyone was well educated. His parents holded the degree of great universities. And whereas he couldn't even read till the age of 8. He was the one who gave new definitions for the world of universe, for the new theories. He researched over black holes. But he was really an average person like us. But when he got to know that he was diagnosed with such a disease, he was only left with 1 year. And then he thought that he has to make a difference in the society. His hope made him live longer than the doctor told him. His hope, his kindness, his brain, his kind of dedication let him do work till his last. At the age of 17, he also went to the university, to a Cambridge University, and for the study of physics and chemistry. Then he later went to another great university for the study of cosmology. And that is why he was great, just because he worked harder. He could even just enjoy his life, knowing that he has just 1 year left with him. But what he did was to make a difference in the world, to make a difference in the knowledge, in the world of science. Thank you. So
the greatest personality of this world, what I feel that is my father. Yes, because I have seen the struggle of him, the emotion of him for us, for me and my family. Have you ever seen your father chilling and seeing movie? Anyone? No. And you will never see, because the father is one who kept on working for his family until his last breath, because he just think that his family is everything for him. He keep on earning for for his family. He doesn't spend a money. Whole day he will stay hungry, but he will not tell you that I am hungry. He will give you much money to wear expensive shoes, but never spend 1 rupees on himself. And if I talk about kindness, so it is lot in our fathers, because the thing, the emotion which he is giving us, I really try to gain that in myself. The strength, the kindness, and the struggle which he is doing for our family. I will like to ask a question to you all, that have you ever seen your father or mother just spending or wasting money? No. But whenever you will ask for money, they will give you. Why so? Because they want their children, they want their family to shine in a crowd. They want their children or family to be different. But nowadays, children are not understanding this. They are just thinking that what he is doing. But if you will see, so he and she is doing countless things for us, including household things, including office things, and much more things. That's what I wanted to tell you. Respect your father and mother, because they are doing much for us. You will never ever can pay.
गाइस, अगर आपको मार्क्स कम चाहिए तो आप जब भी यहाँ पे आए हेजिटेट करें, किसी से आई कांटेक्ट ना मिलाएं, इसके साथ साथ ये करें, जितना स्टक हो सकता है उतना स्टक हो। कभी कभी बोलते बोलते बीच में ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक कर दें, जैसे कि आई वी यू दे ही सी इट नेम कुछ ही बोल के इतनी ज्यादा मिस्टेक करें कि बंदे का मन करे काट ही दें, और सबसे पहले आके यहाँ पे नाटक करे से आज नहीं बोलूंगा, कल बोलूंगा। तो आप वीडियो से और उसके साथ साथ नंबर से दोनों जगह से आप हाथ धो बैठेंगे। So these are few tips and tricks that can make you loosen. Please don't follow it. Thank you so much.